Good morning. You are here with Semiatu, and today I am going to make a beet smoothie. I'm like so excited about this because I've been waiting for a long time, and we're going to jump right into it. But first, I want to read a scripture, and then we're going to get into it. So my scripture for today is Psalms 94:19, and I'm not going to lie, I can't read it from all the way over here, so we're going to do a little traveling, just a short bit, just a short little bit. And it says, yes, my little desk area. It says, whenever my thoughts busy were out of control, the soothing comfort of your presence calmed me down and overwhelmed me with delight. That is Psalms 94:19 from the translation. The Passion Translation. So let's get right into this smoothie, and hopefully it works out right. I don't want to embarrass myself on camera, but I'm not worried about that. So this, like I said before, is a beet smoothie. I've been waiting. It's been me. I've been taking forever to make this, and I'm excited. Got my eyebrows, whatever. Corona. I don't want to go. I need to go to the shop, and I don't want to. I'm kind of waiting. So here we have all our ingredients. I'm doing all this myself, so don't mind me. One day I'll have a camera person. One day. So here's the blender. Here are my beets. I've already cut them up. So I saw this tutorial on YouTube that said to bake them and then cut them up. So that's what I did. I have a frozen banana. Hopefully I can use this because it's like, oh no, okay. I just gotta peel it. It's not that hard. Okay, good. Frozen banana just for coolness. I have passion fruit juice. Don't that look good? Strawberries. Yes, yes. And last but not least, some good old pineapple juice. I honestly want this to be as red and cold as I can get it. Oh yeah, and I'm sorry because I'm breastfeeding and I'm trying to do everything I can to produce milk and make sure my body is in a great state. So I also got this from Whole Foods. It is a superfood and it has all these great things in it. So I'm excited about this too. So I'm gonna put. It says, they got energy smoothies on here. That's what's up, but I'm not gonna make that today. They got a recipe for super energy smoothie. I'll probably do that another day. That's dope. But I think I'm just gonna do a tablespoon of this, because this is my first time using it, and I'm not sure how I'm supposed to use it. So I'm gonna be twisting this back and forth. So give me 1 second while I get a tablespoon. All right, so let's get this started. So we're gonna just start dropping things in. So here's the beets. I'm just putting everything behind me. I'm gonna do the strawberries next because I have to cut those. I haven't used, my strawberries are probably going bad. I'm sorry. But before they go bad, I'm going to use them as many as I can. But like I said before, I want this to be as red as I can get it. I watched a video where they said you can, those are no good. That sucks. You know, when you live in a house with little counter space, you gotta make all the room you can. Y'all pray that we get a bigger house with more counter space. That's my goal. As much as I don't like to cook, I do cook and like to do recipes. But yeah, if you hear music in the background, I like to play soaking music when I wake up. It's for prayer and just calming the spirit in general. So I think that should be enough. Maybe one more. All right. So we got those. I'm gonna have to go through the strawberries. I'm gonna have to freeze these too. When you buy fruit, you really gotta like eat it quickly or it's gonna mess up. So here's this thing is really frozen. I have like a bag of, because I didn't want to lose my bananas. I paid money for those, so I put them in the freezer. But right now it doesn't seem too bad. So, okay, I'm able to basically shave off the skin. That's a blessing. I thought it was gonna be crazy. So let's see, shave it off and then peel. So, yep, I'm good. It's good. This is about to be so good. Because I actually need energy for today. I have a nice amount of running around to do. So I definitely want to have that energy. And I need, like I said, I didn't say, but I am going to say, or maybe I did, I don't remember, even though it was 2 seconds ago. I am pumping milk, so I want to make sure I get that done too. Yeah, this banana look trifling. If I ain't know no better, I would eat this. But I know better. I know there's nothing wrong with it, so I just for blending purposes, I cut it up. Remind you, this is just for me. I'm gonna take it on the road with me. Y'all, I just realized I don't have a can opener, so I have to use, I don't have a pick one. Hold on 1 second, I have to get here, wash my hands and get here. So, okay, I am back. Yes, oh, y'all can see me from where? Okay, cool. That's what's up. So yeah, I have to, so I wanna open up this powder. And like I said, because this is my first time using this. I was at Whole Foods and I saw some stuff and people were telling me about things. I'm just gonna do 1 nice tablespoon until I see how it affects me. So if it doesn't do much this time, next time I know to add more. You know what, I was just saying, my birthday is coming up in a month. Well, less than a month, and I was sitting here thinking about where me and my sister are trying to figure out where should we celebrate our birthday. We want to go out. She wants to go out to eat. I'm all for it. I don't usually like doing that, but I'm in a different vein this year. So I said, why not? So something I learned recently, you pour like this. Oh, I'm sorry. Y'all can't see that. You see that? When you pour it out the box like this, you get less splatter and more stuff. Ain't that dope? Alright, that's enough of that. This smells so freaking good. So, because I don't have, you know, that little piggy thing where you just make like a triangle hole, I'm just going to use this. I'm going to pop it open. And hopefully it doesn't make a mess. Let's see. All right, there we go. I'm excited for this. I hope it tastes good. I'm just pressing on the top to get the juice out. I think I am going to add a few chunks of ice just to make sure it's cold. Okay, that should be enough. I'm going to add a little bit of ice because I thought I wanted this to be a smoothie. I looked in my freezer and I see my daughter make some type of juice ice. I don't know. She's always doing stuff. But I kind of didn't want the smoothie because I already did yogurt. But I want this to be liquidy so I can drink it. Give me a second. If you're wondering why I didn't So I'm back. I do believe in filling up the ice tray every time you use it. I don't care if it's ice still in there. That's just what I do. That way it's never empty. Okay. Some way, somehow this thing goes on. Oh, maybe I need to do this. And then, okay, here we go. No, because the top, there we go. Somebody buy me a Vitamix. I would trade this Ninja for a Vitamix, a really nice one too, a high power, horsepower one, Vitamix. I really like those. Okay, so we're gonna get started. As y'all can see, everything's in there. It's not on self-serve, so you gotta press power. So I'm gonna pulse it for a couple of times, and then I'm gonna put it on. All right. So I pressed it on one. I'm checking it to make sure it is still cool, but I don't want no warm heat. I put it on 2. And while I'm waiting, I'm going to clean up my mess. Okay, I'm back. And let's get a cup to pour it in. So let's go do a taste test to make sure I'm happy with the results. So I had to get a bowl. Hey, our dishes are in the strainer because I just washed them. We literally have four cups, 4 bowls, 4 plates, 4 saucers, the smaller ones, and then we have like we have a few cups that just came from somewhere else. Like we went somewhere and we got a cup. But yeah, everything's in the strainer. I just washed dishes. I could say it's because I'm African, but nah, this is just, I didn't feel like pulling a cup out of the strainer just to do this, so I'll live. So let's turn it off. Open it. Open it. It smells good. Pour it into the bowl. Ooh, and it's creamy. And it's like a really beautiful red. I'm gonna let y'all see. I'm gonna close it. I plan on putting that in the refrigerator. Look how red this is. I don't want it to spill everywhere. So let's see if I can tilt this. Look how red. All right, let's see. My production sucks. Okay, so let's see. I'm gonna tell y'all the truth if it's nasty or not, but I'm still gonna drink it. But we're gonna see. Let's see. It's not nasty. It is not nasty. Thank God. I was like, ugh. And that is my red beet smoothie. I will leave all ingredients with this video. Quick, easy, simple, and now that I've tasted it, well worth it. I hope you have a great day, and I hope if you make this recipe you enjoy it as well. Have a good one. Bye.